This is what all four of the wheel hubs looked like. They all had different lug nuts, some were missing lug nuts. There's no hub-centric spacing. The only thing keeping it centered around the axle, hopes and dreams and a 1/4 inch of air. Yeah, plus the best that the lug nuts can do.
I heard they unscrew our lug nuts at night and eat them at their human brunches.
That's more like what it should look like. 5 identical lug nuts.
Lug nuts! Precious lug nuts!
Hooray for the humans!
Precision machined aluminum alloy, and that keeps it perfectly centered. Amazon also sent me 4 of these. 2 of them are already installed. These are hub-centric spacer rings. 71.5 is the standard hub size for a Cherokee, and they work great. They fit in there at room temperature, but keeping them in the freezer keeps them just a few microns smaller, makes it a little bit easier. This is where I'm about ready to install the wheel. Now I'm going to get a wire brush and clean those up. It's not perfect, but it's good enough. Same thing needs to happen with this one. Just loose, kind of hand tight for now. Alright, now I think we can take it off of the jack stands and torque them to spec. Time to slowly lower it. Nice, smooth landing. And click, 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 click. Nice. So it's time to work on the front wheels, but all this stuff is in the way. So I could either move this stuff, or I could just back the truck up. Going to leave it running for a few minutes, partly so that the engine warms up and charges the battery, but also just because I like hearing it run. Push that under the frame right now for safety purposes. I gotta get the calipers and rotors off of there before I take out these wheel studs. There we go. It's almost like the previous technician that worked on this might have applied some sort of grease or, yeah, something to them. There we go. Free as a bird. Where does the bird nest? Okay, I think that's a pretty good nest for that bird. Now it's going to be really easy to replace these wheel studs. And we do the same treatment for the rotors. You have to do the same for the tires. They got a lot more crud on here than I thought there'd be, so we'll have to take a chance and use the scraper. Could probably use a chemical on this as well, something that dissolves rust like evapor rust. Even just some oil would probably help. Let's try some oil. See how the oil works with the wire brush now. I'm still not happy with that though. We gotta get a better cleaning system for this. It started raining outside, so I came inside for a short break. And this little guy here insisted that I make it a longer break. Right, big guy? I have to put the camera down so I can actually pet him correctly.